Alright guys, so my new favorite wallet is Exodus. So in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from MetaMask to Exodus wallet. So this is Exodus. You can simply download it from the App Store. I'm going to switch to MetaMask. Okay, so sit tight because this is going to be a process. So the first step is, of course, we have switched to the Polygon mainnet because that's where we have our crypto. And in this case, the crypto we are moving is the sandbox. The sandbox token. I want to send this token, so I'm going to tap send. Remember, I'm in the MetaMask wallet, so I'm going to first go back and switch to the Exodus wallet. And if you select the token, tap the sandbox, and then I'm going to tap, notice down there below, send, swap, buy and sell and receive. So we want to receive sandbox, so we select Polygon network. Remember, in the MetaMask wallet, let's switch back to the MetaMask wallet. Remember, we switched to the Polygon network. Yeah, so you have to be very careful about that. Tap next. You can, let me just cancel this transaction and I see how many I have. So I have 239 sand. So I'm going to withdraw. Tap sand and tap send and paste the address. Tap next. 230 sand tokens, which is equivalent to $59. Let me tap next. Now time for fees, network fees, not even equivalent to $1, very small fees. I'll just tap send. So just tap send, and that transaction is submitted to the blockchain network. We are not using the MTN network. We are using the blockchain network. So in this case, the Polygon mainnet. So the Polygon mainnet is very fast, and I think the transaction is completed. So if I switch back to Exodus wallet and I try to refresh, okay, I think we have received it. Alright, so in Exodus wallet, you notice the sandbox token. We have now 230 sand. So here's what we are going to do to withdraw the sand. First of all, we are going to swap it to Ethereum, and then we are going to send the Ethereum to the cheaper cash wallet. I think you can also send it to Binance wallet and withdraw from there. In some of these wallets, they don't support the mobile money withdraw or deposit, but MetaMask does. Binance, number one, also cheaper cash. So let's use cheaper cash for today. And of course, you can check out the tutorials of cheaper cash on my YouTube channel. Check out part 2 where we look at and how to convert the Polygon to Ethereum in the Exodus wallet. So for this video, I think that's it for today with this wallet right here, the Exodus wallet, my new favorite wallet. Okay, so instead of send, you are going to tap swap, and then there's also buy and sell and receive. So depending on your country, you might not be able to use the buy and sell. Tap on swap for today. So swapping this token, we want to swap from the Polygon network, since the tokens are on the Polygon network. Okay, remember, the network is very important. Next is, I want to receive, I have 230 sand, the sandbox token, and I want to receive the Ethereum. So let's choose, in equivalent of dollars, it's going to be 59. The next thing is just tap on swap. Let's first wait for the transaction to load and tap swap. So just like that, we are swapping. Instead of a sandbox, we are receiving the Ethereum. And as usual, the blockchain networks don't take long. I felt the vibration, so it means the transaction is almost done. Let's go back to the dashboard, Exodus wallet. So from the dashboard, you will be seeing the update for that transaction. Yeah, so you can see it is swapping. So we are going to give that like maybe 3-5 minutes, and then we can transfer this token to the cheaper cash wallet and withdraw it from there. So I don't think, yeah, you guys want to see me go back to cheaper cash because it's the same process. You just copy the address and paste it. But anyways, let me just show you. So switching to cheaper cash wallet, you can just check out the tutorials on my YouTube channel for how to use the cheaper cash wallet, and you can be able to withdraw your tokens. I also show you the withdraw, so you can check out those videos on my YouTube channel. So for this video, I think that's it for today with this wallet right here, the Exodus wallet, my new favorite wallet. So again, if you find this helpful, be sure to leave a like and please leave some comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And I hope to see you in the next video. but maybe you just want to see this token sitting here in my wallet. So let's wait for it to confirm as I show you how to bring it into Cheaper Cash wallet. Anyways, so Cheaper Cash wallet, you just go to invest tab right here. So from the invest tab you go to crypto, and then you switch to the assets are down below. You can add the assets that are available. So in Cheaper Cash, not all assets are available. This is not like crypto wallet, like they call the non-custodial wallet. So anyways, just go to the token like Ethereum. That's what we want to receive, right? And then tap on receive right here. You notice we also have sell, buy and sell down below. So we just copy the address and we switch back to Exodus wallet. Alright, so back in Exodus wallet, I think our tokens have finished updating. Finally the tokens are finished swapping. So in this case, we want to send Ethereum. Okay, still updating the wallet. Alright, now completely updated. So we want to send this Ethereum to the Cheaper Cash wallet. So just tap the Ethereum, and then you tap send and enter the amount. Let's say $50. That's 0.0 to Ethereum. Tap continue. I think around $3 of fees. Paste the address from Cheaper Cash wallet. Tap preview. Just swipe or slide to send the Ethereum from your Exodus wallet to your Cheaper Cash wallet. Alright, there we go. So now it's time to switch back to Cheaper Cash wallet to confirm that we have our tokens. Let's give that a minute to update. Okay, so there we go. We have the transaction coming through. Usually you can see it from the home page right here. Pending confirmations from the blockchain. So that will also take a few minutes. Part one was for moving the crypto from okay, it was for swapping the crypto. Okay, so after moving the polygon, after getting the polygon, we moved the polygon from the MetaMask wallet to Exodus wallet. So that was part 2. So in part 3, you're going to learn how to move the crypto from Exodus wallet to Cheaper Cash wallet and how to withdraw it from the Cheaper Cash wallet. So check out part 2 for the Exodus wallet, and check out part 3 for the Cheaper Cash wallet. So this is why I was saying that Cheaper Cash is not the non-custodial wallet, because the non-custodial wallet are directly connected to the blockchain and the transactions are very fast, and you noticed that. But now when we come to our Cheaper Cash wallet, it takes more than 10 minutes, I think, to update, which is not really good. Alright, finally it's updated. Alright, so finally it's updated, and there we go with so as you can see, the fees keep eating on the money that you're transferring. And if you want to withdraw it from your Cheaper Cash wallet, you just tap the token that you want to withdraw, and you just tap on sell down below, left bottom corner. So you enter the amount that you want to sell. What you're going to do is you're going to close, reopen Cheaper Cash. Alright, so now that we have refreshed the app, let's go back to the crypto. By the way, here on the home page, as I mentioned earlier, you will see all the notifications right here. So we received from external wallet 0.0. So make sure we have, if you switch back to our crypto and you tap the token that you want to withdraw, there we go, 0.02. We tap sell and enter the amount, right? Okay, I'll just withdraw that. Tap on quote and tap on confirm. So you notice the fees right there again. Alright, tap on done. Now that refreshes to confirm the transaction, and then right here it doesn't. Okay, it has refreshed. So we sold Ethereum worth of 160. So if we go back to the home page and try to refresh, you notice the balance has updated. So now it's time to withdraw the assets from the Cheaper Cash to our mobile money. So you simply tap the UGX, that amount right there, and then this will pop up. So here is where you add cash if you want to add more money to buy more crypto. Cashing out is where you withdraw, and then you can also convert it to USDT or to USD. So let's cash out. You can also view the account statement as below, as you have seen below. So these are some of the numbers that I'm withdrawing to, but you can also choose to withdraw to your bank account or send international. So I'm going to withdraw to mobile money, and then you can put the numbers right here. But since I already have, you just choose the network, maybe mobile money or Airtel, and then put the number, and it will be automatically verified right here. You'll see the phone number, sorry, the names registered in that phone number. So just choose my phone number, the one I've been sending to, and I'll just choose the amount and I withdraw. Let me just withdraw a small amount because I want to send the rest to my card. Let me select 50 and just tap next, and then choose the reason. Let's say building expense or payment for export, whatever, and then tap confirm. Alright, so there we go. That's how you transfer crypto from the blockchain to your actual local wallet, so that you can withdraw from mobile money and use the money like you withdraw it to cash. There we go, cash deposit from cheaper cash. So you just need to go to your mobile money guy and you withdraw your money. So that's how you move the crypto. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to leave a like, leave some comments, share the video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. So check out their part 1 for how to move the crypto, how to swap the crypto from one token to another. Check out part 2 where we look at the Exodus wallet, how to move crypto from MetaMask to Exodus wallet, and how to convert the Polygon to Ethereum in the Exodus wallet. Part 3, check out part 3 to see how to learn how to move the crypto from Exodus wallet to the cheaper cash wallet, and how to withdraw it to your mobile money. Alright, thank you very much for joining me, and I hope to see you in the next video.